Get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. Surveys you want, when you need them. Click on the link in the video description and start earning money online in 2021. It's free payout instantly via PayPal. Servitems Ambassador Program. Our exclusive ambassador program is looking for influencers, bloggers, vloggers, and media channel managers with an engaged and active audience who has an interest in generating additional income and working from their home. Ranked 4.5 on Trustpilot. A monthly payment to an account of your choice, PayPal, Amazon, or Payoneer. Real-time detailed reporting, also available on mobile for when you're on the go. The program is exclusive and allows you to work directly with Servitems, maximizing your profit. The potential with Servitems is especially high as we use advanced algorithms to increase conversion rates. Frequently asked questions. How does it work? After signing up to Servitems, you'll answer a few questions to help us create your profile and we'll offer you the surveys that fit your interests. Then, you can start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. Where can I redeem my $1 reward? There are different gift cards available for each country. For example, in the US the options are Amazon, PayPal, Target, and Decathlon. After choosing your reward, you'll need to follow the instructions we'll send you in a confirmation email, that can vary depending on the reward you chose. How and when will I get notified about new surveys? There are a number of ways in which you can be notified about new surveys: text, email, and web notifications. You can turn these options on while you answer our initial questions, or you can check the Servitems website to see which new surveys we have to offer. What happens if I fail to complete a survey? If you couldn't successfully complete a survey, you will be offered other available surveys that may interest you, but you won't get rewarded for the survey you weren't able to complete. How long does a survey take? The length of the surveys varies. It could take 10 or even 15 minutes, and on rare occasions even longer, depending on the number of questions and your own personal pace. How many rewards can I get? There's no limit to the number of rewards you can get as long as you have surveys available for you and you are able to complete them successfully. When will I get my reward? Immediately. There's no need to collect or gather points or coins or anything like that. Click on the link in the video description and start earning money online in 2021. It's free payout instantly via PayPal. 1.